Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring and Interiors here in Meridian, Idaho. Hey, I've got a little tip for you today that I wanted to share. That's what I kind of refer to as flooring insurance. So if you buy, for example, tile or hardwood or things like that, especially like pre-finished or engineered hardwood, we can return any leftover boxes that you may have. However, we have this happen all the time. You know, last year sometime we had a customer that called us, and unfortunately I think one of their grandkids got a hold of a bowling ball, of all things, and they dropped it right in the middle of their master bathroom, shattered a tile, right? And unfortunately, after 5 years usually, but sometimes shorter, sometimes longer, a tile will get discontinued because design and trends and things change over time. And so we were not able to get that tile, and unfortunately it's going to cost a couple grand to redo that whole bathroom, probably, at least, right? And so the reason I like to call like flooring insurance is basically to buy an extra box or two of your wood or your tile is really inexpensive insurance for, like, if your wood, if you have a freak accident and, like, you name it, something weird happens and you need to replace the board, if you have that extra box, you can fix it. Just like in the case of this master bathroom, if they would have kept the box rather than have us return it, you know, it might have been like $30, $40, a lot cheaper. And so we always refer to this here at Capell Flooring as flooring insurance, and so we highly recommend, if you get something like that, it's always best to keep an extra box or two for those accidents. It's also in the case of carpet or sheet good, vinyl, things like that. Keep the bigger scraps, put them somewhere safe, because you can do plugs or patches and amazing things if you have the same original carpet or flooring as well. So hopefully that tip helps. Flooring insurance is important. We always recommend to get an extra box or two. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.